So the mailman was just here, brought a package with some goodies for the bike. Thought I'd do a little unboxing, show you guys a little bit about it. Chester race face pedals. Let's open them up and have a look. All right, these are the Chester race face pedals from Amazon. This is what the box looks like. Take this cover off. I decided to do these because the pedals that came with my bike were the ones that were put on by the local bike shop. They had toe clips on them. I wasn't crazy about the toe clips, so I decided to switch off to something like this. These, as you can see, they have the nice studs on them that are adjustable and removable. Nice bearings, really smooth. More of a synthetic material. You can get them in different colors. These are black, which matches my bike really well. You do need to realize that there is a left and right hand thread on these. So we'll go out to the bike, I'll show you how to take the others off, and then we'll put these on. I'll show you how that works. Now you guys know this is the Trek FX3, so I'm going to be showing you how it works on this bike. These are the pedals that were on it. They're from Wellgo, I think is the name of them. I've actually never heard of them. For this bike, what you're going to need is a 15mm metric wrench on here. It's important that you know something. On this side of the bike, which if you're facing the front of the bike, it's the left-hand side, it's a reverse thread. So when you feel like you're loosening, you're actually tightening, and vice versa. So over here, the thread is reversed. On the other side, it's a regular thread. Now, I've already loosened these up, but basically, you don't really need a pedal wrench. I know that some people will buy a pedal wrench. You can use a 15mm. Fits on there fine. You're gonna break those loose and take them off. So this is what they look like when they're out, of course. This side is identical except it has a regular thread, so it comes off much the same. I've already loosened these 15mm. One of the things you want to do is get a little bit of Loctite. There's a couple of reasons for that. One, it'll help keep them from coming undone, but also it'll keep the threads from seizing. So I usually use the Loctite blue on this kind of stuff. Just put a little bit on there. Nice and snug. That's my theory. Same thing here. Just gonna put a little Loctite on. Remember, this is the opposite. I don't think the other pedals had Loctite on them. They were pretty tough to get out. I think it really makes the threads kind of seize, because I'm pretty sure these are aluminum cranks. But I was able to get them off. But we've got some good Loctite on there now. And just snug tightness, I find. And there you have it. New pedals. Those pedals were $46 and some change, I think, on Amazon. That was with free shipping. So if you're looking for pedals and you want to give those a shot, I'll put a link in the description so you can see what they are. Maybe you'll be interested or not. Anyway, thanks for following along. Wanted to show you those pedals. If you've got a bike and you're thinking about them, there you go. Now you know how to change them yourself. Easy to do. Catch you later.